Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to increase your VRAM or your virtual memory, which is responsible for rendering graphics when you are playing high-end games or doing massive video editing, right? So if you are watching this video, I'm sure you already know what a VRAM is, so I'm not really going to explain that. So let's begin. So before I begin, I'm going to show you my current allocated dedicated video memory, and then after the whole process I'll show you my video memory then, so you can appreciate the increments, right? So to show your current video memory or your dedicated video memory, you right click anywhere on the desktop like that, you click on display settings. Before it to open up, you scroll down to advanced display settings, you click on that, you click on display adapter properties for display 1, you click on that. Okay, so I have one Intel HD 5500. It's not really high end, it's not really low end, it's a little above low end. Yeah, so my total available graphics memory is 4176 MB, which is virtually 4 gigabytes, and then my dedicated video memory is 128. This is what we are going to increase because this is the memory or the paging location that is responsible for the rendering of graphics and all that. So this is what we are going to increase, and there is a chart to a ratio to the physical memory you have or the RAM you have, and then the maximum megabytes of video memory you should allocate. Let me show you that. Okay, so if you have 2 gigabytes of RAM, the maximum megabytes of video memory or virtual memory you can allocate to your GPU is 256. If you allocate anything above 256, your PC won't start up because there will be more virtual memory than the physical memory, I mean. So if you have 2 gigabytes of RAM, the maximum megabytes of virtual memory or dedicated video memory you should allocate should be 256. If you have 4 gigabytes of RAM, the maximum megabytes of video RAM you should allocate should be 5125. 8 gigabytes of RAM, the maximum megabytes of dedicated video memory you should allocate to your GPU should be 1024. If you allocate anything above these maximum megabytes, your PC won't start up because there will be more virtual memory than physical memory. You understand me? Yes. So I have 8 gigabytes of RAM, but I don't really play games. I do more of normal stuff that don't really require high use of the GPU. So I'm going to do 512, which is below 1024 obviously, so my PC will start up fine. Right, so let's close all these and get straight into the increment. Alright, so to increase your VRAM, you come to your search box, you type in regedit, REG, like that, regedit, and then you click on run as administrator. Alright, you click on yes, obviously, and it opens up. If you don't really come to your registry much, it should be like this. If you do, it should be something like this. Alright, so these little inverted triangles are what we use to expand or collapse the folders, you understand? So you follow me carefully here on up. So you come to H key local machine, you click on the little inverted triangle on the left, you click on that. You come to software, the little inverted triangle on the left, you click on that. You come to Intel, little inverted triangle, you click on that to expand it, and then you click on Intel and then right click. Make sure Intel is highlighted like this, then right click and then you click on new, then click on key. Right, so we are creating a new key obviously. Then you follow me, you do exactly as I do. So you type GMM, all caps like that, you click anywhere to save it, it's saved. Double click on that, you come here, you click on any empty space, right click on any empty space obviously, click on new, click on D word 32-bit value, and it doesn't matter if you have a 64-bit system or a 32-bit system, it's not really necessary, it's not really important here. Just click on D word 32-bit value, you click on that, and you follow me carefully here guys. Here you rename this to dedicated segment size like that, and then you take note of how I've capitalized it, a capital D the rest are lowercase, a capital S, the rest are lowercase, another capital S, the rest are lowercase. It should be done exactly like this if you want to see the actual increment, right? So then you right click on this, click on modify, then you make sure this is on decimal, not hexadecimal. It should be on decimal, not hexadecimal. So you click on the decimal, and as I said earlier, I said I want to increase it to 512, not the maximum 1024, because I don't really play games much. But if you're really a high-end gamer, you play games on your PC, you can put in 1024 if you want, but it shouldn't be above 1024, as I said, because if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, it shouldn't go above 1024. So I said I want to do 512, so let's put that in there, 512. Make sure it's on decimal, and then you click on that, right? So it's saved, and then that's basically it. So make sure you collapse all of this, so it's saved, right? So after collapsing it, just close your registry, then restart your PC. That is it. Okay guys, so my PC is done restarting finally. So let's check my video memory now to see if it's actually increased. So to do that, you just right click, display settings, go for it to open up, scroll down, advanced display settings, display adapter properties for display 1. And right, so when you open this window up, you'd see that my dedicated video memory has increased from 128 megabytes to 512 megabytes. So there you have it. So if you play games on here, you see that your graphics would render better. There will be less lag. If you used to experience lag, there will be less lag when it comes to cutscenes or places where there are really high graphics that the GPU needs to work more. So that is it guys, and this is my maiden YouTube video. This is my first YouTube video, so if it helped you out, leave a like and a subscribe, and then if you have any idea for a YouTube channel name, feel free to drop it in the comment section. Alright, see you in the next one, hopefully. Out.